Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix Vulkan Initialization failed in Starfield Cyberpunk. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 1. Update graphics, drivers. Content outdated or corrupted graphics, drivers are a common culprit. Behind Vulkan Initialization failures, visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, and/or Intel, and download the latest drivers specifically designed for your graphics card model. Ensure you completely then install your previous drivers using the manufacturer's provided uninstaller before installing the new ones. A clean installation often resolves driver-related issues. Reboot your system after the installation is complete to allow the changes to take effect.
Step: verify game files integrity. Content game files can become corrupted during download or installation, leading to various errors, including Vulkan Initialization failures. Use the game launcher's built-in verification tool, often found under Settings or Options, to scan and repair any corrupted or missing game files. This process automatically compares your installed game files with the original files and replaces any inconsistencies. This typically requires an internet connection and may take some time to complete, depending on the size of the game.
Step: check system requirements. Content: ensure your system meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Starfield or Cyberpunk. Pay close attention to the graphics card requirements, as Vulkan is a graphics by heavily rely on low performance. If your system falls significantly short of the requirements, upgrading your hardware might be necessary. Check the official game websites for the detailed specifications. Insufficient RAM or a weak can also contribute to initialization failures. Step: adjust in-game graphics settings. Content lowering in-game graphics settings can reduce the strain on your system and potentially resolve Vulkan Initialization issues. Begin by reducing settings like resolution, texture, quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. Experiment with different settings combinations to find a balance between visual quality and performance stability. Running the game at a lower resolution might significantly improve its ability to initialize Vulkan successfully.
Step: reinstall the game content. If all other steps fail, reinstalling the game might be necessary completely. Then install the game from your system, ensuring all associated files and registry entries are removed. Then download and install a fresh copy of the game from a trusted source like Steam or the official game store. This ensures that no corrupted files from a previous installation interfere with the Vulkan Initialization process. Reinstalling also often clears temporary files that can cause conflicts